Title number 4, the soil layer. This figure shows that the soil is composed of 3 layers, which are the topsoil layer, the lower soil layer or subsoil layer, and the rocky soil layer. So the layers of the soil are 3 layers, which are topsoil, lower soil, and rocky soil. Let's start with number 1, the topsoil layer. This is the topsoil layer. They contains the root of the plants, leaves of plants, living organisms as earthworms and ants, and humus and small pieces of rocks may be found. So the soil layers contains leaves of the plants, root of the plants, humus, living organisms as earthworms and ants, and humus, and small pieces of rocks may be found. The roots of the plants, they extend deeply in the topsoil layer. Here, the roots of the plants, they extend deeply in the topsoil layer. They're important for the plants. They take the water and food from the soil. So it's very important for the plants because they take the water and food from the soil and they fix the plant in the soil. So the importance of the roots of the plants for the plants, they take the water and food from the soil and fix the plant. And there is another importance for the soil because they help the soil to be cohesive, they prevented the soil erosion, and they provide the soil with nutrients as they are converted into humus after death. After death, the roots of the plants, they converted into humus. Leaves of the plants, they are part of the plants existed in the topsoil layer. When the leaves fall in the soil, they decay, forming humus. Earthworms and some spiders, the soil is considered the shelter or the home for the earthworms and some spiders because they make their homes underground by digging tunnels. They have some importance because they dig tunnels in the soil that allow the air, water, and nutrients to pass easily through the soil, so then to the plant roots. So the importance of earthworms and some spiders, they dig the tunnels to allow air and water and nutrients to pass easily through the soil, then to the plant roots. And the ants and other insects, they dig tunnel in the soil to make nests and lay eggs. And their importance, when these organisms die, their bodies decaying, forming humus. Number 2, the lower soil layer. The lower soil layer. The lower soil layer. They lie beneath or under the topsoil layer. Lower soil layer lie under the topsoil layer. They don't have much humus. They don't have much humus. And the last one is the rocky layer. Their upper, the rocky layer, the upper layers contains pieces of rocks, but their lower layers contains solid rocks. The upper layers contains the small pieces of rocks, but the lower layer contains the heavy or the big rocks. Thank you, Junior 5, for listening. You have homework, worksheet number 8 and number 9. I'm waiting for homework. Thank you so much.